Hi guys, today I want to give you a few quick tips on how to install the Mellow battery improvement kit. So you've gotten this letter and it contains a brown paper bag with everything you need and as well instructions on how to do it. Inside the paper bag you have two frame pads that go inside the frame on the inside and on the outside. Then you have a battery shock absorber that goes behind the battery latch, and you have two lateral pressure pads as well as a cleansing wipe. So, how to install it? First up, you take the cleansing wipe and clean all the surfaces that you have to put a pad on. So, inside the drive, left and right, clean these very, very well. On the back side of the drive, I'm missing a pressure frame pad, so I'm cleaning this with the alcohol pad towel, and then you will have to let it dry. After everything is dried, you take the lateral pressure pads and pull up the protective foil, then place them left and right inside the frame. Try to get them straight. Up here you might have this rattle mark inside your drive, and this is perfect for aligning the pad. This is exactly where it's supposed to go. So nice and firm. Next up, the frame pad. So again, you remove the protection and then place this pad where you've lost the old pad, no matter whether it's on the outside or on the inside of the frame. This one is on the outside. Last up is the battery shock absorber that will go behind the snap lock of the battery. So you take this absorber, throw it in here, then pull this up and take a device like a spoon and shove it in all the way. So all the way, there's no gluing, nothing. If it's in all the way to the bottom, you're done. After the installation of the lateral pressure pads, you will have to insert the battery and leave it inserted for a couple of hours for the glue to set. And that's basically it. You've killed the rattling on your drive. You're totally free of battery dropouts, and what's left? Keep riding and stay mellow.